Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. I'm Anna. And today we're gonna talk how to make friends. Is it easy for you to make friends? Some people find it really difficult and scary. Don't be scared. Say something nice, like, nice hat. Like your hat. If you want to sit and make a small talk, you can say, is this seat taken? It means you want to sit with the person and make a small talk. But what if you hear a question like, mind if I join you? It means that the person wants to sit with you and make small talk. Mind if I join you? You can always offer a drink and ask a question like, can I get you something to drink? If you want to make a small talk, you can start with a question like, do you know who does this song? It means, do you know who sings this song? If you're listening to music at a cafe, that's gonna be great. So guys, good luck in making friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Bye!